ASTM A193 B7 is a standard C-ARMO grade of alloy and stainless steel stud bolts for HT flanges, pressure vessels, and piping equipment. The production uses premium raw materials, precise thread rolling, and strict process control, just to ensure quality built into every bolt. 100% ultrasonic testing to detect internal defects and verify material integrity. Each stud bolt is tested for strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Professional tests like SSCC and low temperature impact ensure stable service in complex oilfield environments. The high tensile and yield strength of ASTM A193 B7 stud bolt can reach over 860 megapascals, and its rolled thread process delivers 30% higher anti-fatigue capacity than cut thread, showing superior mechanical performance for critical oil and gas applications.